Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the Amazfit Bip U Pro, which is an upgraded version of the Bip U. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you its features. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the Amazfit branding along with the picture of the smartwatch. And here we have the model name Amazfit Bip U Pro. On this side of the box we have some key features such as 1.43-inch color display, built-in GPS and GLONASS support, 60 plus sports modes. You get the SpO2 monitoring in this watch. The Bip U Pro comes with the 9 days battery life. It's 580 mAh water resistant and you get the sleep monitoring as well as the PAI support. Amazfit Bip U Pro is available today on Amazon for Rs 4,999, which is 1,000 rupees more than the standard version. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get this box in which we have the user guide, and then here we have the smartwatch itself. In terms of the looks and design, it is very similar to the Bip U. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the charging cable, which is magnetic, and it is the same as other Amazfit watches we have seen this year. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit Bip U Pro, as the name suggests, is the upgraded version of the Bip U. Looking at the design and build quality, even though it's the same as the previous version, but I find the quality and design really good, and the watch does feel premium and well built. In the front of the smartwatch, we have the same 1.43 inches color LCD IPS display, and it comes with the anti-fingerprint coating and 2.5D curved glass. The resolution of this display is 302 by 320 pixels. In terms of the overview, we have the single push button here on the right side by which you can access the menu. The body of this watch is made up of polycarbonate and we get the silicone strap, and I find the quality of the strap pretty decent. So the overall look and feel of this smartwatch is good, and it's also lightweight and weighs just 31 grams. Now looking at the back of the smartwatch, we have the sensors which includes heart rate and the SpO2 sensor. Apart from that, you get the gyro sensor and the geomagnetic sensor in this smartwatch. And then we have the two charging pogo pins, and if you look closely, there is also a mic at the back. So guys, in terms of the design, it's identical to the previous version Bip U. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. The companion app Zep is available for both Android and iOS, and pairing the smartwatch is really easy. Just go to the add device section and choose the option add by QR code, and that's it. Here we have the watch paired with our phone. Meanwhile the app is setting up the watch, let me show you the watch features. First thing I noticed that the display is crisp and the quality of the screen is really good. The touch is also smooth and you can operate this smartwatch via touch and the button on the side. So first we have the watch face, and if you long press on the screen, you can see the available watch faces. This smartwatch can store 4 watch faces, and you can also download more from the companion app. Now in terms of the gestures, so if you swipe down from the top, you have the quick settings such as DND, settings and the brightness. And guys, we don't get the auto brightness support in this smartwatch. Swiping up from the bottom shows you the notification history, and swiping left or right shows you the quick app cards. And here we have the activity status, heart rate, SpO2, weather, music and also Alexa. And guys, for Alexa, you would need to set it up from the app in the account section. And here you need to log in with your Amazon ID. So we have set up the Alexa, and about the Alexa features, you can use Alexa for various things such as weather, translation, setting up alarm, countdown, or you can also ask questions. When is the next IPL match? Set a timer for 5 minutes. And guys, as there is no speaker in this watch, you get the response on the screen. The response time is fast and the mic performance is also very good. Set an alarm for tomorrow 7 AM. How to say hello in French. Now coming back to the menu, you can access the main menu by pressing the crown button once. And also, if you long press the crown button, you can access a shortcut app. Right now it's set to workout, but you can change this from the settings. Now about the menu, it is exactly as the Bip U, and I also find the touch response and the menu lag free. So looking at the menu, we have the activity goal status, and then we have the PAI, which shows you a score based on your fitness activities, and then we have the heart rate. And guys, I find the heart rate detection fast and it's also very accurate. Then we have the sleep menu where it will show you your last night's sleep details, which I'm yet to test. After that we have the exercise menu, and as you can see, we get the multiple sports modes in this smartwatch, and also you can customize this list from here, which is also really good. And guys, this smartwatch comes with the inbuilt GPS, which is again an advantage. And one more thing, this smartwatch is also 5 ATM waterproof, so you can use it while swimming. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the activities, which shows you your exercise history. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, which is a must-have feature these days. Getting the SpO2 reading takes some time, but it's good to have this feature. After the SpO2, we have the stress monitoring, which shows you a stress score, and it also supports all-day monitoring. Then we have the breathing exercise, which will help you to calm yourself down. And then we have the cycle tracking for females, which is good to see in this smartwatch. And then we have the alarm, and here you can turn on the preset alarms or set one yourself. After that we have the settings, and here we have the watch faces, and then we have the auto screen off time, which you can change here. And then we have the screen lock, which will lock the watch screen. This smartwatch also supports raise to wake feature, and I find it really responsive and it works very well. And also when you cover up the display with your palm, it will turn off the display. Then in the settings we have the preferences, and here you can change shortcut apps and also the long press button app, which I will be changing to Alexa. Then in the preference menu, we have the time and date settings. And then finally, we have the system menu, which allows you to reset or turn off the smartwatch. Now coming back to the main screen, we also have the more menu, which has a few more things such as weather, and here you can see the weather forecast. And then we have the Alexa music control, and here you can switch between soundtracks and also increase or decrease the volume. And after that we have the countdown with some preset timers. And then we have this stopwatch, Pomodoro timer, a world clock, compass, camera shutter to take hands-free photos from your phone. And then finally, we have the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. So guys, that's all the features we have on this smartwatch. So in the Pro version, you're getting two main features such as the inbuilt GPS with the GLONASS support and the mic for Alexa. And for that, you're basically paying 1000 rupees extra. Now looking at the companion app, we have covered the Zepp app many times in our previous Amazfit videos, and we will be giving you a brief introduction. So on the homepage we have the fitness data, which includes step count, sleep data, heart rate, SpO2 and so on. And then we have the profile page, and here you can go to the settings. So in the watch settings, you can see the remaining battery on the top, and then we have the store option. And from here, you can download different watch faces for your watch. After that we have the notification settings, and here you can turn on the call and the app notifications. And talking about it more, here is how you get the call alert. And in this smartwatch, you can only silent the alert on the watch or reject the call. Now talking about the app notification, this is how you get the message notification. Unfortunately, you can't reply to the messages from this watch, but there is one good thing, that you get the emoji support in this watch. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the heart rate monitoring, and from here you can turn on the all day monitoring. And then we have the app management. From here you can manage the app list on the smartwatch. So that's pretty much all the features we have in the companion app. So overall the Amazfit Bip U Pro offers a good design and the build quality. You're getting the inbuilt GPS and the Alexa support in this smartwatch. I'm yet to test the accuracy of the sleep and the fitness data, which I will be covering in our long-term review, so stay tuned for that. But as of now I can say that if the GPS and the Alexa support is something which interests you, then you can go for the Amazfit Bip U Pro. Otherwise, the regular Bip U is also a very good smartwatch in Rs 3,999. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Amazfit Bip U Pro. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.